All right, so the cool thing about some of these questions is there is significant simplification that you can do using log properties. Because remember, one of the log properties that we have is that if there is one division, that will go to two logs subtracted. So if you look at this question, don't write this down, but if you look at this question, some students would be like, okay, well, my argument is x cubed minus 6 over x, and then in the numerator, I need to take the derivative of that argument. And looking at this argument, that's going to involve the quotient rule, and then maybe I'll just skip this question because there's a lot of work here. We don't need to skip this question. What we can do is we can first simplify using the fact that our one division goes to two logs subtracted. So that's going to look like the natural log of x cubed minus 6. That numerator is going to be the first logarithm, and then minus the natural log of the denominator. And then once we have that simplified, then we can take our derivative. Here we have our first term would have an argument of x cubed minus 6. So we would put that in the denominator. And then the derivative of x cubed would be 3x squared. The negative 6 would go to 0 as a standalone constant. Our second term, again, the second term, has an argument of just x. So we would put that x in the denominator, and then the derivative of x is just 1. Now, you don't need to combine these two terms. This would be your final answer, and that is just a very quick way to solve this rather than going through quotient rule and all of this by using our log properties. So the first thing that we always want to do is, if possible, try to simplify the question using our four main log properties.